Hello guys, welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, if you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Today I am sharing sunshine salad recipe. It is a very nutritious and healthy recipe for boosting immune system and recovering from cold and flu. You can eat it in normal time also if you are not sick also. The first ingredient of this recipe is papaya. Papaya provides calories, carbohydrates, fiber, protein, vitamin C, vitamin A, folate, potassium, calcium, magnesium and all types of vitamin B. The next ingredient is apple. Apple is a healthy fruit, as everyone knows that. It provides a lot of minerals and vitamins C and A are essential. All we have to do is chop the papaya and apple, then add pomegranate. Pomegranate also provides lot of nutrition. Then we add orange in it. Orange provide full of vitamin C and vitamin A and other nutritions. Make slices of orange and remove its cover and mix with the salad. If you want to decorate the salad, you can make slices like this. Prepare salad dressing with 2 teaspoons of olive oil, half lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of coriander, salt, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Also add some black pepper. Mix all together. Now take a bowl. Add papaya, then add apple, then add chopped orange. You can cut it in dice or as you like. Then add pomegranate. Then pour the salad dressing on all the fruits. Sprinkle some walnuts and pumpkin seeds. This recipe has avocado also guys, but I am not getting avocado here, so I'm skipping it. If you have, you can include avocado also or mango also. You can enjoy this salad recipe in breakfast to kickstart your day with nutritious and healthful fruits. You can contain it in refrigerator for 1 to 2 days also. You can mix this fruit salad with oats or any other recipe. Thank you for watching this recipe. If you like, please comment and tell me how you feel about it. Like and hit the share button and please subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.